Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link a credit card on your Disney application. First, just log into your Disney app, and then from here, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right. So click on that one. So once you click on that one, you will see all these options right here. So you just have to scroll down until you find your profile. So here under the account, you will find your profile. Just go ahead and click on that one to open it. Once you click on that one, you will see all these information right here. And at the very bottom, you will see the payment method. So what we're going to do is click on this one. So here you will just have to wait for it to load. So in here, they will ask you to enter your password again to continue. So just go ahead and type in your password and then tap on continue right after. And then here you go. You can then add a payment method. Tap on this one and then just select the credit or debit card. So just tap on this one. Now after that, you just have to put here your card details like the card holder number, the month or the expiry date, and the security code. So everything that is in your card info, you just have to put it in here. And once you scroll down at the very bottom, you will see here the billing address, name on card, and stuff like that. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will just have to tap on save payment card information and then tap on confirm at the bottom, and it will save to your account. And once you're gonna have to buy something on your account, you just have to click on this one to use it as a payment method. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!